Okay, so big difference between these two signals. One is over here, the other one's here. The first thing to explain is why I took the signal, and that is rule number one. Is there impulse wave, and is the impulse wave a breakout? So sometimes there is an impulse move, like for example this one, but it's inside a trading range. So you need to know, what is your trading range? You need at least two highs and two lows. That's my first high and that's my second high. So that's two swing highs. That's the low, and then it is matched by a second low here, so that becomes a trading range. So anything here is going to be dangerous. Then it comes back up, gives it another touch, that's the fourth touch, and then it breaks out with strong momentum. So let's zoom out a little bit more. If you look at it, then the overall swing low is over here. Let's mark that. Okay, I have this menu stuck over there, so I can't access my, there you go. So now we have this level established from there. So if you look at this, it is a range now for this level, but this was a potential swing low, not a trading range, because this was the low of this move. But inside it, we created a trading range, which was challenged over here, but rejected and went up. And then there was an impulse move that broke out of this trading range, or let's say this low. We can mark this as well. It comes back to it, retests those levels, and pauses at this level. So I went short at the close of this candle. I took a risk of 5 points with a complete 3% position. Why? Because my previous trade was a winner, and the one before it as well. So I went for the higher risk because I had accumulated plenty of profit. So there you go. That's my trade. It comes down. I can see that it was hitting that level, but it went slightly below it. And there the buy algorithm kicked in again. And it became a wide trading range. Support kind of held it. So I had brought my stop loss to 4R, and I got stopped out for 20. I could have taken 30. Well, let's say realistically I could have taken 5R, which would be 15%. So that is a 12% trade. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.